we are going to practice the algorithm bridge to make division a lot easier for us. These problems are on page 219 in our book. The first one that we are going to do together is number 5. The dividend is 8,090. So I'm going to write the dividend kind of spread out because I'm going to put it in boxes. And my divisor is 62. My first question is, how many times does 62 go into 8? Well, it doesn't go into 8. So we're going to subtract a 0 because we didn't take out any groups. I move my 8 up here, and now I have 80. How many groups of 62 can I get out of 80? One group of 62 is 62. Two groups of 62 is going to be at least 120. So I'm going to take out one group of 62 from 80. Subtract my group. Let's see how many we have left. 62, 72 to 80 is 18. I have 18 left, and I can't get any groups of 62 out of 18, so I know I'm on the right track. I'm going to move my 18 up here in front of my 9, and now I have 189. How many groups of 62 can I get out of 189? Well, 3 groups of 6 is 18, and this is going to be 10 times as much, so I'm going to try 3 groups. 62, 3 groups of 62. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Is 186. That leaves me with 3. I can't get any groups of 62. Oops, I forgot to put how many groups I took out. I took out 3 groups. 130 something. I have 3 left. I can't take any groups of 62 out of 3. So I'm going to move my 3 up. Now I have 30. How many groups of 62 can I get out of 30? I can't get any groups out of 30. So so I have to put my 0. I can't get any more groups out of 62 out of 8,090. So my answer is 130 with a remainder of 30. We're going to do the next one. And then you'll do one on your own. Number 6, the dividend is 2,480. So I'm going to make my box. My dividend is 31. I can't get any groups of 31 out of 2. None. So I have a 2 left. I need to move my 2 up here. Now I have 24. I still can't get any groups of 31 from 24. Whoops. So now I have 248. I definitely can get some groups out. I know that 3 times 8 is 24. So if I make it 10 times bigger, that's 240. So I know I can get out 8 groups. 8 groups. Now we do the exact number that we took out. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. It's perfect. 248 minus 248 is 0. We still have another 0 that needs to have a number above it to show us. I can't get any groups of 31 out of 0. This is a nice even problem with no remainder. The next one you're going to do on your own. Number 7. So you set it up. 5,780. and our divisor is 34. So take a minute, do the problem. You can pause it and then press play to check your answer. Okay. How many groups of 35 can we get out of 5? Or 34 out of 5? None. No groups. So we're going to move our 5 up. How many groups of 34 can we get out of 57? You probably said 1 or 2. Maybe you thought of at first, since 57 is close to 60. But that 60 is too much. So we're only going to take out one group. One group of 34 is 34. 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And I can't get any groups of 34 out of 23, so I know I'm on the right track. Now I have to move my 23. Now I have 238. Well, 3 and 23. Well, 3 times 7 is 21, and this is 10 times bigger. So I'm going to try 7. 34 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 3 is 21, 22, 23. 238. Another perfectly even problem. Now, I forgot to put how many groups of 34 makes 238. So I go back to my work, and it's 7. I have 0 left over, but I still have a 0 in my ones place. So I say exactly 0. 34 groups, or 0 groups. I can get 170 groups of 34 out of 5,780.